Ah, let's see if this Povacy. Let's see if this thing works. It's a jump starter, and it even has a little compressor. It's all wireless. So we plug it in and see what happens. And 15 volts. This unit is pretty cool. It has a couple of USB chargers there. You can also plug in a cigarette lighter adapter. Comes with a little booklet with a few instructions. My unit out of the box was at 84%. It charged to 100 in about an hour. And I love the fact that it has a little compressor. You just set the desired PSI, get it connected, and it'll quit once it gets, let's say, to 32 PSI or whatever. Came with a little USB charger cable, so all you do is just plug it in the USB connector, and that's it. It has, a built-in light. It also has the ability to stay charged for about anywhere. It says to fully charge it every 3 to 6 months, and I'm gonna keep it in the my Corvette and may buy another one. I found it on Amazon, and I'll provide a link. It's a sponsor link. And through my Edge browser, I saved an additional $20, so I bought it for about $85. I have no idea about durability, but it had a lot of positive 5-star reviews. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.